Okay, good morning students. In continuation of organometallic compounds, second molecule organolithium compounds. Organolithium compounds. Okay, representation of organolithium compound means RLI. What is the definition of organolithium compounds? Okay, the compounds which are having direct linkage of carbon and lithium. Direct linkage of carbon and lithium, those are simply considered as a organolithium compounds. Those organolithium compounds indicate with RLI. RLI. Example for organolithium compounds: CH3Li, C2H5I. Okay, here phenyl lithium. Okay, so many examples are there. This is the ethyl lithium, vinyl lithium, CH2 double bond, CHLi, vinyl lithium, allyl lithium, CH3, CH double bond, CH2Li. This is allyl lithium, This is vinyl lithium, phenyl lithium, okay, ethyl lithium. Next, methyl lithium. These are the important examples for the organolithium compounds or alkyl lithium compounds. How we prepare these lithium compounds? Okay, at low temperature, that means conditions minus 10 degrees centigrade temperature in the presence of nitrogen. Okay, we will prepare these organolithium compounds by the reaction between, okay, here I am taking alkyl halide reacts with 2 moles of lithium minus 10 degrees centigrade temperature under the nitrogen atmosphere. What happens? Lithium reacts with halogen and uses lithium halide and forms RLI, alkyl lithium. Okay, in continuation, I am taking methyl chloride reacts with 2 moles of lithium under same conditions. What we get? Lithium chloride was removed and forms methyl lithium. In continuation, ethyl chloride reacts with 2 moles of lithium under same conditions, forms ethyl lithium. Okay, here same in continuation, I am taking phenyl chloride, that means chlorobenzene, reacts with 2 moles of lithium, forms phenyl lithium. Next, you take vinyl chloride. This we call vinyl chloride. Okay, here vinyl chloride reacts with 2 moles of lithium, form vinyl lithium. Okay, here I am taking allyl chloride, CH2 double bond CH, CH2Cl. It is reacts with 2 moles of lithium, forms CH2 double bond CH, CH2Li. This we call allyl lithium. For example, you take benzyl chloride, reacts with 2 moles of lithium. This we call benzyl chloride. 2 moles of lithium under same condition. What are the conditions? Minus 10 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, under the inert atmosphere, that is nitrogen atmosphere. What do we get here? We get benzyl lithium. This we call benzyl lithium. Okay, this is about the preparation of various alkyl lithium or organolithium compounds. Okay, in continuation we'll see the synthetic applications of organolithium compounds. Synthetic applications of organolithium compounds. These are also good synthetic agents like organo-magnesium compound, that means Grignard reagent. These are also good synthetic reagents as a Grignard reagent. Same, by using alkyl lithium, we'll prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols, carboxylic acids, amines, alkenes, all will prepare. We'll see in continuation how those compounds will prepare. Okay, applications of organolithium compounds. Application. By using this, we'll prepare. Okay, here primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Second one, aldehydes. Third one, ketones. Fourth one, carboxylic acids. Fifth one, amines. Okay, amines. And here amines, carboxylic acid, amines, alkenes. Okay, we'll prepare all these compounds by using this Grignard reagent. By using this alkyl lithium compounds. First, we'll see the first one, preparation of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Okay, here first primary alcohols. Primary alcohols will prepare. Okay, we prepare by using this alkyl lithium compound by the reaction with formaldehyde. Okay, when alkyl lithium reacts with formaldehyde, okay, here I am taking general reaction, then in continuation we take specific reaction. Alkyl lithium reacts with formaldehyde in presence of base. What happens? These electron transfer towards oxygen. Okay, carbon gets positive and negative. Here lithium these electron transfer towards carbon gets negative, lithium gets positive. This negative charge reacts with positive reacts with negative. Then what happens? C here, C, H upside, O, L, I. This is an intermediate. Okay, here from this intermediate, we'll prepare alcohols. Okay, just to add water. What happened? Here it will break, it will get negative, it will get positive. That means water means H plus OH minus H plus added here, OH minus added here, and will get or CH2OH. This we called primary alcohol. Okay, here I am taking specific example. I am taking methyl lithium. What is the name of this one? Methyl lithium. Methyl lithium reacts with formaldehyde in the presence of base. We'll get CH3, CH2OLI. In presence of water, it will break down. This will break down and forms CH3, CH2OH along with the lithium hydroxide. lithium hydroxide was formed. Okay, this is about the first one, preparation of primary alcohol. What is the name of this one? Ethanol or ethyl alcohol. We prepare ethyl alcohol by using this method from formaldehyde. What is the name of this one? Formaldehyde. This is also same, formaldehyde. Second one, preparation of secondary alcohols. Why it is called primary alcohol? Here OH group attached to primary carbon. Why it is called primary carbon? This carbon attached to only, directly attached to only one carbon atom. That's why we called primary alcohol. If OH group attached to secondary carbon, we called secondary alcohol. Okay. What are the examples for secondary alcohol? So many examples are there. Okay, just I am taking one simple example. CHOH. This is a secondary alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, R2-propanol. Isopropyl alcohol, R2-propanol, we call as secondary alcohol. Okay, when alkyl lithium reacts with aldehyde except formaldehyde, that means it reacts with acetaldehyde. In the presence of base, what happens again? These electron transferred. Here will get negative, here will get positive. These electron transferred now. Alkyl group get this carbon gets negative, lithium gets positive. Negative reacts with positive, positive reacts with negative. Then what we get? R. Okay, here C, CH3, H, O, Li. This is an intermediate. Okay, here OLi na, just in presence of H plus and OH minus, this will break. What we get? We get secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohol. We'll get here secondary alcohol. So in continuation, we'll see the non-specific reaction. Methyl lithium reacts with acetaldehyde. What happened? These electron transfer, here negative, here positive. These electron transfer, here negative, here positive. Yes, now. Then, in presence of base, what do we get? CH3. Okay, here CH, here CH3, OLi. This is an intermediate. In presence of H plus and OH minus, that means water, na? What do we get? Here it will break down. CH3, CH, OH, CH3, 2-propanol. Along with that, we'll get lithium hydroxide. Lithium hydroxide. Okay, in continuation, we see the tertiary, how we prepare the tertiary alcohols. In continuation, we see the how we prepare the tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. Preparation of tertiary alcohols. Okay, here tertiary alcohols prepared by the reaction between alkyl lithium compounds and ketones. Here I am taking one alkyl lithium reacts with ketone. Ketone means R C double bond O R, called as ketones. In the presence of base, okay, here this electron transferred here, oxygen gets negative, carbon gets positive. Electron transfer here negative, here positive. positive reacts with negative, negative reacts with positive. Then what happen? R, C, here R, O, L, I. Okay, this will break. This is an intermediate. In presence of water, water means H plus and OH minus. It will break. Here added H, here added OH. Forms lithium hydroxide. Along with that, tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. Okay, in continuation, I will give one specific example. Methyl lithium reacts with acetone. This we called acetone. In the presence of base, here electron transferred, negative, positive. This electron transferred, here negative, here positive. Positive reacts with negative, negative reacts with positive. Then what happened? CH3, COLI, CH3, CH3. Breakdown. In the presence of H plus and OH minus, here added H plus and OH minus, that means water, we get CH3, 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 OH. This we called tertiary butyl alcohol. We get tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, how we will prepare the carboxylic acid by using this method? By using alkyl lithium. Second one, preparation of carboxylic acids. Preparation of carboxylic acid. How we will prepare the carboxylic acid? What are carboxylic acid? RCOH functional group containing molecules we called as carboxylic acid. RCOH functional group containing molecules we called as carboxylic acid. Okay, how we prepare carboxylic acid? See, alkyl lithium reacts with carbon dioxide in the presence of base. These electron transfer here will get negative, here positive. These electron transfer here will get negative, here will get positive. Negative reacts with positive, positive reacts with negative. Then what happens? R, these are attacked here, R, C double bond O, L, I. Okay, in presence of water, that means H plus, OH minus, it will break down. Okay, here we will get negative, here we will get positive. H plus ion reacts with this one, reacts with lithium ion reacts with OH minus. What you get? R, C double bond O, H plus lithium hydroxide. This we call carboxylic acid. Here we will prepare carboxylic acid like this. In continuation, we will see one more. I am taking methyl lithium reacts with carbon dioxide in presence of base. We will get CH3, C double bond O, Li, intermediate. It reacts with water, that means H plus and OH minus, forms CH3, C double bond O, H along with Li, OH. This we call acetic acid. We will prepare acetic acid by using this method. Next, phenyl lithium. You take phenyl lithium, reacts with carbon dioxide in the presence of base. What you get? You write the product. Okay, then in continuation, we will see the carboxylic acid over. In preparation of aldehydes and ketones. preparation of aldehydes. Third one, ketones. Aldehyde means CHO functional group, keto means C double bond O functional group. CHO functional group containing molecules we called as aldehydes. C double bond O functional group containing molecules we called as ketones. Okay, here I am taking alkyl lithium. First we will see the aldehyde. Aldehydes are prepared by the reaction between alkyl lithium and hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide means this one. In presence of base. This electron transfer, here it carbon gets negative, nitrogen gets, carbon gets positive, nitrogen gets negative. Here negative, positive. Negative reacts with positive, positive reacts with negative. What do you get? R. Okay, here H, double bond, N, L, I. This is an intermediate compound. This will break down, here oxygen will added, here hydrogen will added by the hydrolysis. What do you get? R, C, H, O plus NH2, Li. Okay, amino lithium was found, lithium amine was found. And here RCHO is called aldehyde. Okay, how will you prepare the acetaldehyde? Here I am taking methyl lithium, reacts with hydrogen cyanide, brace. What is the product? What is the product? Okay, write your product. Okay, phenyl lithium. Okay, reacts with hydrogen cyanide. And what is the product? Right? Product. Okay, here I think acetaldehyde is formed. Here benzaldehyde was formed. Write the products. Then ketones. How do you prepare ketones? When alkyl lithium, this is aldehyde, then we'll see the ketones. How do you prepare the ketones? When alkyl lithium reacts with methyl cyanide, that means alkyl cyanide. Alkyl lithium reacts with alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide in the presence of base. What happens? This electron transfer, carbon gets positive, nitrogen gets negative. This electron transfer, okay, carbon gets negative, lithium gets positive. Here like this. What happens? R, C, and here double bond, N, L, I, here R. This is an intermediate compound. It will break down in presence of water. What will you get? R, C double bond O, R. This is called ketone. This is called ketone. So many ketones. Okay, so many ketones will prepare by using this method. When methyl lithium reacts with methyl cyanide, in presence of base, what you get? Right. Okay, when phenyl lithium reacts with methyl cyanide, in presence of what you get? When phenyl lithium reacts with cyanobenzene, what we get? When benzyl lithium reacts with methyl cyanide, what we get? Write the products. We get different ketones. Okay, we'll get the different ketones. This is about the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, in continuation, we'll see the alkanes. How do you prepare alkanes and alkenes? Preparation of alkanes and alkenes. Okay, here You take alkyl lithium hydrolysis. The hydrolysis of alkyl lithium, what happened? Here lithium, here OH. Loose in the form of lithium hydroxide forms RH. RH is alkane. Suppose you take methyl lithium, reacts with water, what will get? Lithium hydroxide, methane, CH4, methane was formed. Methane was formed. To take any alkyl lithium, you will get alkene. Alkene, how you will get the alkene? When alkyl lithium reacts with vinyl chloride, this we called vinyl group. Vinyl chloride, just heat. Okay, it gives lithium chloride like this. Gives lithium chloride, forms RCH double bond CH2. Get alkenes. For example, methyl lithium reacts with vinyl chloride in presence of base. What happened? It loses lithium chloride and forms CH3, CH double bond CH2, 1 propene. Like this, we prepare so many compounds. Okay, for example, what you will get? Phenyl lithium reacts with vinyl chloride. Heat, what you will get? What you will get? Then in continuation, we will see the preparation of amines. Amines. Okay, how we will prepare the amines? We will see here how we will prepare the amines. Take alkyl lithium, reacts with amine chloride. This we call amine chloride. What happened? Use LiCl. Okay, then we will get amines. This we call primary amine. By using, if you take secondary alkyl lithium, you will get secondary amines. If you take secondary, okay, tertiary alkyl lithium, you will get the tertiary amines. Here I am taking CH3 Li NH2 chloroamine. You will get methyl amine. And for example, phenyl lithium reacts with chloroamine. What you will get? Okay, here for example, CH3 CH like secondary alkyl lithium reacts with chloroamine. What you will get? Tertiary butyl lithium reacts with chloroamine. What you will get? Okay, benzyl lithium reacts with chloroamine. What you will get? Okay, write the products of those different amines. Okay, these are the important applications of organolithium compounds. By using organolithium compounds, we will prepare. Okay, here we will prepare so many organic compounds. By using this, we will prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Okay, aldehydes and ketone, various types, aliphatic aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde, all these types of aldehydes. And by using this alkanes and alkenes, will prepare alkanes and alkenes. And by using this, we will prepare amines, primary, secondary, tertiary, aromatic amines and aliphatic amines. Okay, after that, what we call carboxylic acid, aliphatic carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid. By using this, we will prepare any type of organic molecule. Maximum types of organic molecules we prepare. So, these are the organolithium compounds and Grignard reagent. Both are having greater importance in organic chemistry area and industrial. So many functional groups prepare by using these two compounds. That's why these two compounds are called good synthetic organic reagents. These are the inorganic molecules, but these are simply considered as a good synthetic reagents for the preparation of the organic molecules. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll discuss some small topic is there in this chapter. Okay, after that we'll discuss one more topic, physical or inorganic. Tomorrow we'll finish organic chemistry. Thank you.